Once your lesson is complete, it is time to launch it out to your students. Start by sharing the lesson ID code by either projecting it on the board, taking a screenshot and posting it to your learning management system, or sending it out via text or email. Next, direct your students to thinktechsolutions.org and have them click on Student in the upper right corner. From here, they should enter their name, which can be a nickname, first name, or first name and last initial, as well as the lesson ID code to join the lesson. In order to optimize success, students should make sure of 4 things. First, that they have a strong Wi-Fi signal when completing lessons. Next, they have the most recent update of the browser they are using. The third is to enable their microphone in their browser settings. And lastly, the device they are using should be either a desktop, tablet, or laptop as opposed to a cell phone. Share this video with your students to ensure they're successful wherever they're learning from.